Good morning, all.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, Naveen. Morning.
Very good morning. Able to see the screen, I believe.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And one more thing. Hope everyone are able to play the videos, right? Whatever email IDs you have given, to that only I have sent. One thing is, whatever email IDs you have sent, you need to log in your YouTube also with the same email ID. Then only it will work. Right? Whatever email ID you have provided me, the Gmail one. Okay. The YouTube also, you need to log in with the same email IDs. Then only it will get played, or else it will not get played. Is that clear, everyone?
Clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. So, any questions in yesterday's session? So we have completed up to, I think, assign company code to controlling area, right? So one controlling area, how many company codes we can have?
Many we can have.
Many we can have.
Many we can have. Many we can.
For
Yeah.
one company code, how many controlling areas we can have? Can we have a multiple company codes? Sorry,
No, only one.
No, only one controlling area.
Only one controlling area. Clear? So when we have a multiple company codes for one controlling area, what is that methodology?
1 to n.
1:n.
1:n.
What is the advantage with 1:n methodology?
Cross company కూడా intercompany transactions.
Intercompany transactions are possible. So what is the advantage with the intercompany transactions?
We can
We don't need to show it
exclude
as
costs.
sale or something.
Yeah, it's a we can have what we call I'm sorry, the tax part. We need not to pay a separate filing for tax for intercompany transactions like your third party. That I'll show actually. Okay, so till here, no questions, right? So next one, write down activate components in controlling area. Activate components in controlling area. Write down the path. Activate components in controlling area. Write down the path. SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Write down the path. SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Next one, controlling. Controlling. Next, general controlling. General controlling. Organization. Next, maintain controlling area. Maintain controlling area. Transaction code OKKP. Transaction code OKKP. So here I'll go with the path. I'll show once again SPRO, SAP reference IMG, SAP reference IMG. Okay. Controlling. General controlling. General controlling. Organization. Maintain controlling area. Maintain controlling area. Okay. So here I'll show additional information. Right. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, controlling. Under that, general controlling. Okay. Organization, maintain controlling area, and transaction code OKKP. OKKP. Click on IMG activity button. Click on IMG activity button. Click on IMG activity button. So you remember yesterday also we got the same. So from here also we can create the controlling area. Okay. So I want to show you both the ways. So if you can go with the OKKP or you can go with the previous one. So next one. Okay. Click on maintain controlling area. Click on maintain controlling area. Click on maintain controlling area. Click on position button. Click on position button. Click on position button. Right on, click on position button. And our controlling area is ACOA. Give your controlling area ACOA. Click on controlling area ACOA. So select ACOA. Select ACOA. Yesterday we saw we have done assignment after creation. We have done assignment of company codes, right? The controlling area. Now we are going to do the other option. Activate, select, double click on activate components or control indicators. Yesterday somebody asked OKKP, right? So both the ways we can create it. Activate components or control indicators. Okay. Okay. And one more thing. Just controlling area ACOA. Controlling area ACOA. And make the fiscal year as a last year. Give the last fiscal year 2022 or whatever 2021, whatever year you are in current year, give the last fiscal year. Why? Because we need to upload the data. We need the data we required. If company is an existing company, then give the fiscal year, last fiscal year. If the company is newly startup company, then you can give the current fiscal year. Clear? Understood why we are giving here 2022 fiscal year? Why? Because our companies, for example, our company Adani group of companies, existing company. So they are having legacy data, means they are using different software, different system earlier, right? So that particular data need to be migrated from legacy system to SAP system, because we will have a closing balances. We have a lot of different assets, liabilities kind of thing. Sorry, expenses, outstanding things. So we will upload, we will migrate right through LSMW to from last fiscal year to the current fiscal year. So that's the reason we are mentioning the last fiscal year date. If your company is a new one, then you need not to give the last year fiscal year. You can give the current fiscal year. Okay. So and 9999. So we are following going concern concept. So we don't know our business when we are going to close. Is that clear? Any questions here? Any
Naveen,
questions?
Naveen,
Yes, please. Yeah.
if I give here 2023, then what will be the effect?
Sorry.
If I in 2022 in fiscal year here, if I give
Okay.
2023, then I will not be able to upload the data of 2022. Am I right?
If you are giving 23 date, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you can't. Because according to books of accounts, what it will show is it's nothing but your company is the current fiscal newly started company.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So just write it down as it is, this two. So write down fiscal year, last fiscal year we need to give, and 9999.
Naveen, one question here regarding
go ahead.
fiscal year. If we give the last year data, we can migrate last year data.
Correct.
If we have a data of even the past year.
See,
then it will-
however, you are using a Tally or Oracle or any other softwares. See, however, you will migrate, you will upload in Tally system. For example, past 10 years, you are using Oracle Financials or Tally or any other ERP, right? So what you will do, 2021 data, 2021 closing balances, you will transfer to 2022 fiscal year. Correct? So
Yes, yes.
those closing balances will become an opening balances for 2022 fiscal year. Correct?
Okay.
So in 2022, what does it mean? It will have the previous year closing balances.
Mhm.
Hope you got. So now in 2022, whatever closing balances are there, right? So I need not to give the 2021 or 2020 or 20. So company commencement year or business started year, we need not to give because the closing balances will be there. Whatever closing balances are there that in 2022, that may applicable for the previous years also. If anything is there like that.
Okay.
Clear?
So meaning it will pull the data of
Exactly.
the posting date, even though it is past years.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Any other questions? Just write it down. Okay. And these part only we are activating fiscal year part activation. So here, these things we will see in controlling module. The activation of components, order management, commit. Okay. So next click on save button. Next click on save button. Okay. Everyone understood? So these part we are going to see in controlling module. Whatever, how to cost centers part and everything. Right? So here, the first two steps are completed. What are they? These two steps are completed. Prerequisites. We have created controlling area and we have maintained. Prerequisites. In prerequisites. In prerequisites, we have defined group currency. Right? And we have maintained controlling area. So these two steps are completed. Right? Next one, we need to maintain profit center standard hierarchy. We need to maintain profit center standard hierarchy. Write down, put heading as a maintain profit center standard hierarchy. Maintain profit center standard hierarchy. Write down the path. Write down the path. SPRO. SPRO. SAP reference IMG. SAP reference IMG. Financial accounting new. General ledger accounting new. General ledger accounting new. Master data. Master data. Profit center. Define profit center standard hierarchy. Define profit center standard hierarchy in controlling area. So this is a master data. Controlling area. Transaction code. FAGL. This is a new transaction code. FAGL. So FA stands for financial accounting. GL stands for general ledger accounting. FAGL underscore TC. That is nothing but profit center. underscore STHR. STHR stands for standard hierarchy. Standard hierarchy. Standard hierarchy. Clear? So this is F, because earlier, as I said, that this profit center controlling area was in controlling module, which was in classical GL accounting. So we don't have this concept here in classic GL accounting, but it is moved to new GL accounting. Then this particular transaction has been moved from CO to FI. So that's the reason it is mentioning it as an FA, financial accounting. Okay, so I'll show here. And one more method is also there. You can follow this one, or we can directly do with the table. I'll show that also. Okay. So next one, I'll go with the path.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, एक doubt है, sir.
Please go
Now
ahead.
we have not activated here cost center, na sir.
We have not activated cost center. Controlling area we have activated.
So while posting the document, we need to give the cost center. In that case, what
That is,
will
we will
happen?
see in CO module, I said.
Okay.
We won't use any cost center accounting in FI module. We will see only the profit center and segment in FI module. Cost centers will be done in CO module. Clear?
Okay, sir. Okay.
We won't touch any cost center accounting in FI module. Fine. You know, right? What is the difference between financial accounting and cost and management accounting?
Yes, sir.
So write down path, SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting new. Next one, general ledger accounting new. General ledger accounting new. So master data. Master data. Next one, profit center. Profit center. Profit center. Define profit center standard hierarchy in controlling area. Define profit center standard hierarchy in controlling area. This is the transaction code FAGL underscore PC underscore STHR. So click on execute button. IMG activity button. Click on position button. Click on position button. Give the controlling area ACOA. Give the controlling area ACOA. Okay. So here, just mention it as an AC. I'm giving ACOA, Adani controlling area. I'm giving the standard hierarchy name as an ACOA, Adani controlling area. This is naming convention. Again, I'm reiterating. It will be done according to the client requirement. Client will say, or your project manager will say in the real time, this naming convention. So here I am taking the naming convention according to my company, right? Adani controlling area. Okay. Underscore PCSHR. Profit center standard hierarchy. ACOA underscore PCSHR. So write up. So whatever company you will create, you can go as it is. Okay. Click on save button. Click on save button. Click on save button. Data already saved. Okay. Click on save button. Next one, write up. Profit center standard hierarchy. Profit center standard hierarchy can be maintained by table. Okay, maintain profit center hierarchy by table. Transaction code SM30. SM30 transaction code. So instead of path, you can go with the transaction code. We can create it. So I'll just save this. Okay. Press back button, or I'll go here. SM30. So we have a table name. We have a table name. We have a table name. We underscore FHGL, write down the table name, table R view. So either you can go with the path to create profit center standard hierarchy, or we can create with this table. Okay, and the table, you can go with the SM30 transaction code, table FV underscore FAGL underscore PC underscore STHR. So I'll copy here. Okay. FAGL underscore PC underscore STHR. So click on maintain button. Click on maintain button. Click on maintain button. Okay. So here you can view your table. Controlling area. So you need to click on position button. Click on position button. Give the controlling area. Give the controlling area. And you can give your hierarchy name. Profit center standard hierarchy name. And click on save button. So both the ways, either of the way we can do it. Any questions here? Any questions here? Yes, no. So either it will serve the same purpose, either this way or this way. Okay, next one. Right now. Write down. Next step, write down. Maintain fiscal year variant. Maintain fiscal year variant within the bracket Jan to December. I think. One second. Okay, no problem. So we will create. Here I have not mentioned in the notes. So maintain fiscal year variant. Maintain fiscal year variant from Jan to December for US GAAP reporting. Okay. Maintain fiscal year variant Jan to December. Jan to December. Jan to December. Write down the path. Write down the path. SPRO. SPRO. SAP reference IMG. Same what we did in April to March. Same thing we need to create here also. SAP reference IMG. Financial accounting new. Financial accounting new. Financial accounting new. Next one. Financial accounting global settings new. Financial accounting, global settings, new. Okay, financial accounting, global settings, new. Next one. Ledgers. Ledgers. Next. Fiscal year and posting periods. Fiscal year and posting periods. Fiscal year and posting periods. Next one. Maintain fiscal year variant. Maintain fiscal year variant. Okay, within the bracket, write down maintain. It's not required. Maintain, just how the path looks like. I'm showing you. Maintain short-ended, fiscal year. What is the transaction code? Anyone remember?
OB27.
Transaction code. Sorry,
OB27.
no, OB29.
Yeah, 29. Yeah, right.
Try to remember the transaction codes because these are the important transaction codes. Okay. With practice only, we can remember the path and this navigate transaction codes. So I'll show in SAP. SPRO. SAP reference IMG. Financial accounting new. Financial accounting new. Financial accounting global settings new. Financial accounting global settings new. Next, ledgers. Next, ledgers. Next, ledgers. The next, fiscal year and posting periods. Fiscal year and posting periods. Okay, maintain fiscal year variant. Maintain short-ended fiscal year OB29. I think I have given the same. OB29, yes. OB29. OB29. Click on IMG activity button. So what is the US fiscal year? Normally,
Jan to December.
Jan to December. So Jan to December, we have a standard SAP provided one. That is nothing but K4. This is K4 calendar year. Calendar year is nothing but Jan to December. So SAP standard provided one is calendar year. That is nothing but Jan to December plus 4 special periods from after Jan to December. So for adjustment entries, that is nothing but January, February, March, April. So you can have K1 to, K0 to K4. These are the standard. Calendar year, one special period. This is not required. K0, K1, K2, K3. So calendar year plus one special period. Only one. If company is less, your transactions are less, then you can select this. Right? 2 special periods, K2, 3 special periods, K3, 4 special periods, K4. So normally the standard we follow is K4. Okay. So select K4. Okay. Whenever we want to create a Jan to December with 4 special period, so select K4. So click on copy as button. Click on copy as button. Click on copy as button. So what I'll do, so I'll create a horizon. Just write it down. Either you can take A4 or AK. I am taking AK. It's nothing but we derived from K. Okay. So I'm giving the description. I'm giving the description. Adani. Jan to December. Plus 4 special periods. 4 special periods. 4 special periods. Write it down as it is. And it's a calendar year. It's a calendar year. By default, calendar year will be checked. And V3 and other than calendar year, it will uncheck. Okay. 12 normal periods, number of posting periods, and 4 special periods. Just write it down. So press enter, same key. So we will take A4. Just write it down. A4. Instead of AK, somebody has already used it. A4. So press enter. So entry 1 of the entries to be copied. So you can see that. So total 496 attributes will be get copied. So 496 features will be get copied when we say copy all. See here. Number of dependent entries copied is 496. Okay, click on OK button. Click on OK button. Now you can see here. I'll remove this AK. Okay, next one. Click on save. Adani. I'll just remove this Aditya so that we will not have any confusion in future. Okay, Adani A4. Just remember that what is our posting fiscal year variant? We have taken A4. A4, we made it as an A4. Any questions still here? Yes, no.
No.
Okay.
No.
Sir.
Next one. Next one.
Think we had created earlier also, sir. This posting period variant.
We have created for April to March, not for Jan to December.
Correct. So the 2 variants we have to create it.
Yes, because we want a reporting what we call local gap reporting. That is nothing but Indian gap reporting. For that, we have taken V3. That is nothing but April to March.
Okay.
Right?
Okay, sir.
And we want one more reporting, US gap reporting. So this is A3, we have taken April to March. And A4, we have taken Jan to December.
Oh, okay, sir.
So we want 2 different reporting.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So
And we
Naveen,
need, sorry,
Naveen, where you are going to assign this fiscal year?
sorry, I didn't get you.
Previously we have done this, we have assigned to our company code now, but where we are going to assign?
I'll show you this in new ledger concept. We are going to assign to our US company code.
Okay.
We have a concept called new GL accounting concept. Once we create the posting period variant, then I'll show that where we are going to assign this. That's the reason I asked you to note it down this A4. Clear? Okay. Next one, write down the step. So we have done with the standard hierarchy, maintain fiscal year variant Jan to December. Next, write down maintain posting period variant. Maintain posting period variant. Maintain posting period variant. maintain posting period variant Jan to December. Maintain posting period variant Jan to December. Write down the path. So path same as above. Path same as above. Till fiscal year and posting periods. Till fiscal year and posting periods. And from there select. And from there select posting periods. Posting periods. Posting periods. From there select. From there select. Define variants for. Define variants for. Define variants for open posting periods. Open posting periods. What is the transaction code for this? I'm sorry. What is the transaction code?
OBBO.
OBBO. Yeah. Transaction code. OBBO. Write on this. Okay, I'll show here also the same thing. Click on save button. Press back. See here. Path same as above. Till up to fiscal year and posting periods. Up to fiscal year and posting periods, same path. Up to fiscal year and posting period, same path. From there, select posting periods. From there, select posting periods. Select posting periods. And from there, select define variants for open posting periods. Define variants for open posting periods. Transaction code OBBO. See, why we are going this much slow in the sense, these configurations will applicable for all the modules, all the sub modules, AP, AR, right? Asset accounting, banking module, tax module, clear? And sometimes in other modules like other logistics modules also. So if we know this configuration perfectly, then you will not have any issues with other modules. So that's the reason we are going in depth of navigation part, whatever the alternative transactions, clear, and with the transaction codes. If you are enough expert till this, then any other module will not be a challenge for you. Submodules or any other logistics modules. Clear? So write up. Define variants for open posting periods. Transaction code OBBO. OBBO. Okay. So new entries, I'll just check. Somebody has created AP. Okay. Press back button. Define variants for open and close posting periods. Open posting periods. If new entries, press new entries. Press new entries. Okay. So what I'm going to take, I'm going to take here AP, Adani posting period. So I'm giving the standard name K4. K4. So here I'll write it as an Adani posting period variant for Jan to December. Write down this. So APK4. So we are creating APK4. Adani posting period variant Jan to December. Next step, open and close posting periods. Save it first. Then next, open and close posting periods. Write down. Open and close posting periods. Open and close posting periods. Next step. Open and close posting periods. Open and close posting periods. So already we discussed for April to March also this one. How to open the periods and how to close the periods. Okay, write down the path. Path same as above till posting periods. Path same as above till posting periods. Path same as above till posting periods. And from there select. From there select. From there select open and close posting periods. Open and close posting periods. Open and close posting periods. Transaction code.
OBBP.
OB 52.
Yeah, OB.
OB
Okay.
52. OBBP is assigned company codes. OB 52. Okay, you can just check it out as OB 52. Just write down here. Path same as above till posting periods. Okay, same path up to posting periods. From there select open and close posting periods. And from there select. And from there select. And from there select open and close posting periods OB52. So click on execute button. Click on execute button. Press new entries. Press new entries. What is the variant we have created? What is the variant? APK4.
APK4.
APK4. So here we will select all account groups. Means this is not up. This whatever open and close posting period we are opening or closing. It should be applicable for valid all account types. Or any special thing you want to balance sheet items you want to select, then you can select assets or customers or vendors or anything. If you want expenses and incomes, then you can select GL accounts. But I would like to select for all accounts. All accounts. So from period fiscal year 1 2023. So I'm opening periods for throughout the year. So, but in real time, you can open only the periods which require. Means if you are mentioning here the period in the sense that particular period will be get opened. Clear? So 2 period 12 means what I am doing? I am opening periods for all. So 1 to 12 months, 2023. Okay. And next one, special periods also I'm opening. 13, 2023, 16, 2020. But in real time, you will open whatever required periods are there. That's it. Already we discussed about this open and close posting periods. An entry already exists. Give me a second time. I'll just remove that. Give me a second. So you can use this AP K4. Okay. So how many periods we are opening? First period, 12th period, 13th period, and 16 periods. So 12 special normal periods we are opening. And so what does it mean? If I say here 1,
Only first period is open.
sorry, this is not March, this is K4.
January.
Only January is open. Here, all other periods are closed. So here, what does it mean? If I say here 12, so first to 12 periods, normal 12 periods are open, and same time, special periods for adjustment entries, 13th to 16th period is open. Why? Because we will post the entries, the coming project, this particular project. So every, see, now we are in September, next month we will move to October, next month again we will move to December, right? So that's the reason I don't want to again come to this particular screen. I want to open it, but in real time, it will be get restricted here. We can control the postings. Clear? So we can open only the required periods here. Just write it up. Okay. So this is about your prerequisites. So click on save button. Click on save button. Data was saved.
Sir, under this category, if we are posting, if we are doing it for vendors or customers, everything will be included because we have
Yes,
selected all.
because that's the reason we have
Perfect, okay.
selected plus symbol. Right? We can post to GL accounts, we can post to customer, we can post to vendor, we can post to assets. If you select any specific account group, so for example, if I'm selecting vendors, then we can't post to other asset, we can't post customers, it won't accept, material, it won't accept, GL accounts, it won't accept. So contract accounts, it's not our module, it's a FICA module, so it's not required for us. So these are our modules. So if I select any specific account type, then we can post the entries only for that asset, that account type only. If you're trying to post in any other account type, then it will not allow us to post. So that's the reason we are selecting valid for all account types. All account types in the sense we can post the, if we select this, we can post the entries for assets, we can post the entries for customers, vendors, materials, and GL accounts. So initially we are going with the GL accounts, and after that we will do with the customers and vendors, and after that we will go with the asset accounting, and after that integration with MM module, SD module. So we are going to select MM, materials. Understood?
And sir, in future, once we select valid for all account types,
Sorry,
let's say imagine after 2 months. Can you
Okay.
hear me? Let's imagine we selected valid for all account types,
Okay.
and after a couple months, our client says, let's change it to only customers and vendors, so we can go back and edit that. Is that correct?
So instead of that, what we will do is, so you can change here also. You can change here also, not an issue. by selecting here. Okay, anything customer or vendor, or normally what we will do is in real time, normally what they will do is the same open and close posting periods. See, we will create one more variant. For example, here we have created one variant, APK4, we have opened for all account groups. So we will create one more variant here. Instead of using the same variant, for example, they want only postings with for one particular vendor. Clear? We will create one more variant. For example, NNN. There is no result, but still. So here I'm creating one variant. Here, as per my client requirement, I'll select here, for example, vendor. So that it will not disturb my previous variant. We can do that also. We can disturb our previous variant. We can modify it. Clear? But instead of that, what is the advice you can give to your client is, instead of using the previous variant, because probably they have made some entries or something, so that will not get disturbed, then we will create one variant for the same company code, then we will create only which account type. So whenever we are trying to post the entries, we need to select this particular variant, the new variant. Is that clear? Yes, no.
So yes, sir. But then do we have to maintain create a new physical variant, and do we have to open another posting period
Yes,
related
same
to
thing
that?
we need to do this here. So same thing we need to
So
do
all
like this.
So basically, all three steps: maintain physical variant, maintain posting period, and open and close posting period. Is it?
Yes. We need
Okay.
to do the same structure.
Thanks.
We need to follow the same structure. Understood?
Okay.
So with this, the prerequisites of new GL accounting, we have completed. Okay. So we need to go with the, so these are the things we have completed, right? These are the things we have completed. So put a heading as a new GL accounting. Just I'll give the introduction today. Put a heading as a new GL accounting. Put a heading as a new GL accounting.
Sir, up till here, how much percentage of the FI component is finished, do you think,
Oh, sir,
approximately?
I'll tell you the percentage part because I'm not sure. I can't say that still we are in configuration mode. Clear? This is the basic steps,
Okay.
which is percentage part I can't say right now. So once we are done with the GL module, I can give you the accurate percentage how much we have completed. Is this clear?
Got it.
Yeah. So or else if I want to complete the things in the sense, already the configuration navigation is already there. So I would have posted you people. So I would have asked you to check so that I can directly show you the configuration instead of going with the navigation, dictation part, transaction code. Hope you got my point. Why I am stressing this much in the sense, because this is very important to remember the transaction codes as the same thing I have reiterated, because whatever navigation we are doing, that is not only applicable here, we are going to apply 60 to 70% in other modules also, sub-modules of FI and other logistics modules also. So that is the reason I'll stress everything 2 to 3 times. Navigation part. Normally what they will do, just the people will do this, whatever navigation is there, that will I can transfer you people, I can share with you people, and I'll ask you to open when the class is going on. So directly I can show the configuration part. So I can't say the percentage right now how much we have completed, But once we have done the testing part in GL, then I can say that this much percentage accurately we have completed. Is that clear, sir?
Yes, sir. Thanks.
Thank you. Okay. So we have done the prerequisites of new GL accounting. So put a heading as a new GL accounting. So there are a lot of features are added. Why? That's the reason I'm saying you, because if I miss the new GL accounting concept here, the new GL concept, if I go with the classical GL accounting, I can say that we have completed almost 30 to 40%. Because of this new GL accounting, every module, the testing and exercises and everything will got increased. Right. So if it is, we don't have a new GL accounting module, if I skip this new GL accounting module, if I follow only the classic GL accounting module, clear, then I would have clearly said that 30 to 40% we have completed. Because if I won't cover this, then the GL module also, we don't have much testing, and we don't have much testing in AP. We don't have almost a 30 to 40% testing will be get reduced in each and every module. 30 to 40% you can understand. So within 2.5 months, we can complete everything if we are not following the new GL accounting, because most of the features, new features are added in new GL accounting. Is that clear? And a lot of new points are added from last 20 to 25 days. Is that clear, sir? Yes.
Yeah, clear.
Thank you. Next one, we have new GL accounting concept. In the new GL accounting, I'll explain, just I'll show you this one. New GL accounting. New GL accounting. New GL accounting. So we have parallel accounting. The new feature is added, parallel accounting. In S4 HANA, we have one more ledger, parallel ledger accounting. We have an extended ledger accounting that we will discuss. Okay. Parallel accounting. Parallel accounting system. Next one. Profit center and segment reporting. So these are the new features are added to classical GL version. So profit center and segment reporting. Next one. Document with entry view. This is very important, entry view and GL view. And the other backbone feature for the new GL accounting is document splitting. Document splitting. And last but not least, the next one, FICO, real-time integration. Till this, I have covered for the last batches also, previous batches also. But for you, real-time integration. Okay. So here we have extended data structure with FAG flexible tables. FAGL flexed. Just right now. Okay. So you can say in interview, definitely they may ask you, what are the new features are added in new GL accounting, then definitely you need to mention that the parallel accounting system. We'll discuss what is parallel accounting system, profit center and segment reporting, right? Document with entry view and GL view, document splitting, FIC or real-time integration, extended data structure with Faggle flexed table. So this is a table actually. Clear? So we will see in depth in tomorrow's session. What do you mean by parallel accounting, right? Profit center and segment reporting, right? Any questions here? We have not created profit center yet. We have created only the hierarchy, standard hierarchy name we have created. That's it for profit center accounting. Any questions still here? Yes, everyone. Any questions?
No.
No.
Okay. So what we will do is we'll continue tomorrow the new GL accounting concept, right? So what do you mean by parallel accounting? What do you mean by profit center and segment? And in depth of these things. Already have provided the notes for this, but still, is this clear? Any questions before we call it for today?
Hi, Navin.
Yeah.
Navin, not a question. Just I want to request that from this week I have joined this morning classes. So can
Sorry?
anybody share the classes links from the starting?
I didn't get you.
Like I want the links.
What
mean,
is YouTube link or class? link?
YouTube. Like from this week I'm joining this sessions, right? Morning one.
Okay. So
Yeah.
from which day you want?
From day one.
Day one, starting
Yeah.
classes.
Yes.
Okay. Those are in public. I'll share you. Just ping me in WhatsApp. I'll share you personally.
Okay, Navin. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you all.